Hey guys, what's going on? I'm here to tell you a little bit about a Guess men's watch today. So Guess, of course, has been around for a really long time. They're a really reputable brand. One of my personal favorite stores. I think everybody knows who Guess is and what they are, and you've probably been to one of their stores or own a couple items of their clothing, or maybe you even own a watch for yourself from Guess already. So what I love about Guess watches, besides the fact of how great they look, they're like kind of like casual timepieces, and they look great. They're really, really fashionable. They're just a great fashion accessory. So this is a Guess steel, and it has a dark, like it's almost like a navy kind of face in here, and the watch isn't working right now because I do have to go ahead and change the battery. But this is my husband's watch, and he's had this for about like probably 8 or 9 years at this point. He's had it for a really long time. It kind of just stands the test of time, and it's stainless steel, so it's definitely great for being long lasting. Of course, there's things you could do to fix this. You could get a new face, but as you could see, it's got some wear and tear on it. Like there's like the kind of scratches in the glass and the plate and stuff like that. I mean, he could probably fix it or go ahead and get a whole new one. It's just from like wear, like, you know, he would wear this watch to work and stuff like that, and that's kind of why it's all scratched up. I think it's very great, like it's casual for everyday wear, but you could also wear it to like a nice event like a wedding or something like that. But yeah, just from like wearing it all the time, and he would work with his hands and like, you know, do like handy stuff, and he'd have this on, and I think that's why it's just got some scratches on it from all that time doing that. But you know, I think if you take really like, you know, good care of it, you know, just use a microfiber cloth to kind of clean it from time to time, and don't wear it when you're doing anything like around the house where you could scratch it or work, whatever. It'll last you, of course, much longer. So just want to show you guys. So on the back here, it says guesswatches.com. So that's the website. Guess steel. So this is water resistant, and every watch or any watch I've ever seen, they always have like the product number on the back. So this makes it easier to find. So the product number is capital G95310G. So that's the product number for this watch. So I really like that this has the diamond accent. So it's an ion plated stainless steel bracelet going around the watch, and I think the diamond just, I don't know if you could tell on the video, but it really stands out and it looks really nice, and I think it adds like a touch of elegance to the watch as well. So it's a square case. It's 41 by 37 millimeters. It has the diamond accent markers and silver tone 3 hands, and you could, of course the battery's not working right now, but you could replace the battery. Just, it's very cheap actually. I think it was like 15 bucks last time we had to replace it, and I just bought it to like the jewelry store to do that. And then of course this little piece on the side here, like you could pull it out and like turn it, and that's how you change the time. So it's like really super easy to use as well. So it's water resistant to 50 meters, has a quartz movement, and a 2-year limited warranty as well. And now of course, like every man's hand is like a different size, so you can go ahead and I would go to like any jewelry shop, and if you need to take some of the links out, they could easily do that. Just takes a minute. So it's super adjustable in that way, and then it's easy to close. So the way you close it is like this. Snaps right in. You could hear it snap. It's a steel on the side, and then to open it back up again, to take it off, just push these 2 side dials in and it snaps right open. So it's super easy to wear and to use. So I think this piece just, it looks great. So it has like a really kind of sleek look, great for any occasion. Like I mentioned, you know, the water resistant, the looks, the rectangular face, the color, the bands, and the price is all really great for this product. You know, it doesn't look cheap at all. It's like, it's just very stylish and elegant looking. Great quality too. And I think that I think most men will really, really like this watch. Just your casual, everyday. Of course, you know, really depends on your taste, but I like it's not too much, you know, it's just right. My husband's a pretty simple guy and he loves it. It's kind of trendy. So it kind of just has all the above. You want something that's nice looking, you want something that's also casual, not too much. The rectangular face, the quartz movement, the diamond accents, just overall really great and great quality too. And then with the weight, I wouldn't say, I think it runs true to size. I wouldn't say it's lightweight, but I also wouldn't say it's heavy either. I would say it's kind of right down the middle. It is steel, so like I said, it's not going to be lightweight, but not crazy heavy. In between classic and contemporary too. So I just think it's the perfect everyday watch, but also something like if you have to go to an event that you could wear as well. Easy to use, easy to change the time if you need to. Right, the dial's right on the side there. So guys, this is a Guess steel watch, men's. I hope that you guys found the video useful, and I hope that you enjoyed the watch. I hope if you guys, ladies, if you need a gift for your boyfriend, husband, dad, brother, uncle, whatever, or guys, if you need to just get a gift for yourself, I hope you think about this, and I thank you so much for watching my video. Thanks, everybody.